Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hope you're all doing great. I'm also doing good here. In today's video, we will see the unboxing of a new cast iron skillet that I recently bought and how I usually season my cast iron skillets for the first time. This is a 13-inch skillet with a cooking surface slightly greater than 9 inches. Moving to the seasoning part, this skillet comes pre-seasoned at high temperatures with flaxseed oil. Our first step is to clean the skillet with dishwashing liquid using a non-abrasive scrub. Scrub all parts of the pan well before rinsing it off. You may add 1 or 2 teaspoons of salt along with the dishwashing liquid before scrubbing. After this, we won't be using soap on the skillet unless some deep frying is done and too much oil needs to be removed. So clean it thoroughly. Our next step is to dry the skillet using a lint-free towel. After washing, we can see that water is still not sticking to the surface. The previous seasoning is still there. We won't be stripping the entire seasoning and start all over again. Instead, we will add a few more layers to the seasoning that already exists. Our third step is to coat the skillet evenly with a thin layer of sesame seed oil. Be it seasoning or reseasoning, I have only used sesame seed oil. We only need a thin layer of oil around the skillet. In my experience, adding too much of oil only helps to make the pan too sticky and oily to work with. Switch on the flame and wait until smoke starts to come out. Now, switch off the flame and let it cool down completely. This will help in adding a layer of seasoning. Move the brush over the skillet and distribute the oil evenly. If you feel that it requires additional oil, add a few drops of oil. I have not added any additional oil. Now, we will heat the pan to add another layer of seasoning. Again, wait until smoke starts coming. Switch off the flame and wait until it cools down completely. This time I had to add a few drops of oil onto both sides and brush it evenly. It is advised not to add too many layers of seasoning as this might result in peeling due to hardness of the layers. Continuing the same way, I have done 5 layers of seasoning. Now our seasoning is complete and the skillet has cooled down. At this point, simply wash the skillet with a non-abrasive scrub without using dishwashing liquid. As we are starting to cook in our cast iron skillet, I am adding oil generously. You can slowly reduce the quantity of oil. Let's make a bullseye and test how non-stick our pan is. It is also mentioned in their manual to avoid using acidic foods like tomato, vinegar, citrus and the like until you get some nice coats of seasoning going. You can see that egg is not sticking to the pan, it is coming out easily. A few more layers of seasoning will make this a perfect cast iron pan. The more you cook, the more non-sticky it becomes. Hope you liked this video. See you soon with another one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.